everybody, hope you are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to fix internet problem in OPPO A78. But before we talk about that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how to fix internet problem in OPPO A78.